Hi, to charge your Huawei Band 9, you will need to take this charging cable which goes in a complex with the device. So here you can see there's two small contact dots, and if you take a look on the back part of your band, you would see these two magnets. So you would need to just connect the dots to the magnets. And for that, you need to place the cable in the right position. So if you place it left like that, then nothing will happen because it does not fit. You will need to place it on the right side, and then it will connect easily, and you will hear a click and you will see this little kid charging animation, and your watch will start charging. Easy as that. So let me show you this once more. If you just place it on the left side and try to connect with those magnets, nothing will happen. It does not fit. If you just put it on the right side, then it will easily connect like that. So, the Huawei Band 9 charges fairly quickly. A full charge takes only about 1.5 hours, and the bracelet holds a charge about 10 to 12 days with standard usage. So, if you have always on display enabled, then it reduces battery life for about 3 days. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.